The US government just urged a total ban on a super popular home router. Sounds scary, right? Let's turn the fear into facts. Fast. Here's what's happening. Agencies flagged certain consumer routers for security risks. Supply chain issues, vulnerable firmware, hard-to-fix backdoors. That doesn't mean every unit in your house is spying on you. If your exact model is on an advisory list, treat it like an unsafe lock on your front door. Step 1. Identify your router. Flip it over and get the brand. Get the model. Get the hardware version. Step 2. Check official sources. CISA advisories. FCC covered list. Don't rely on random threads. Step 3. If your model is named, plan an exit. Quick triage while you plan. Update firmware from the manufacturer's site, not a third party. Disable remote management. Disable UPnP. Change default admin username. Use a unique, long passphrase. Turn on automatic security updates if available. Replacing? Look for ongoing security support with a public update policy. WPA3. Regular firmware releases. A track record of CVE fixes. Support for open firmware. Independent security audits. ISP provided router? Call them. Ask, is my model affected? What's the replacement plan? Myth busting? If it's on, I'm hacked. Not automatically. Risk equals exposure plus vulnerability. A VPN fixes it. A compromised router can still see and manipulate traffic. I'll wait it out. Vulnerable edge devices age badly. Sooner is safer. Bottom line, don't panic, get precise. Confirm your model. Harden settings. If it's on the list, replace it with something that's actually supported. Your router is the front door to your digital life. Make sure the lock isn't made of cardboard.